Realme has been finally launched in the Chinese market. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel everyone, hope you're absolutely fine. I am Mr. Hexa here and you're watching Mr. Creators, and let's get started. First of all, talking about the display. The phone comes with a 6.35-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display in 19.5:9 aspect ratio and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Realme has also joined the bezel-less display department with a pop-up selfie camera. Now talking about the processor, the phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 with Adreno 616 GPU. The phone comes with 3765 mAh battery with fast charging 20 volt VOOC 3.0. That means the phone will reach 55% in 30 minutes with USB Type-C port. The phone comes out of the box with Android 9 Pie and with Color OS 6. Now the most awaiting thing, that is the camera. On the rear, the phone comes with a 48 megapixel f1.7 Sony IMX586 sensor with 5 megapixel f2.4 for depth sensor. The phone has a motorized pop-up selfie camera with 16 megapixel f2.0 with video recording up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The other things it has, it is in-display fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint scanner with all major sensors, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now talking about the price, the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant comes at 1499 yuan, that is roughly about 16,000. The 6GB RAM and 64GB storage comes at 1599 yuan, and the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage comes at 1799 yuan. So Realme X is a great smartphone according to specification. So will it be launched in India? Let's listen to the CEO of Realme India.
Everyone is excited about Realme X in India. So can you share some information about it?
We plan to launch it by the second half of 2019. We are still evaluating what specs to be launched for India market. Tentative plan to be launched would be around 18,000 or 20,000 rupees. This is the information what I can share you right now. But
hope you like this video and see you next time.